Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor out here in this 25 Stabby. This is a video to show you how to unload a boat by yourself. Now, if the water was just a little bit higher, it might still do it here. This boat would just float off, so I had a separate line. I judged when that comes out, it still might be a little too long. I could have shortened that up so it's going to stop before it goes off the trailer. You do have load guides, but I also have this tied here, like I said, which then I can step on it like this, so my weight's going to hold it so this boat don't take off. I'm going to make sure I go like this. Then on the back, this is one rope right here, but I gave it some slack. This is going to slide, so this is to this, so when this thing comes off, this back of this boat ain't going to take off, so then I can grab that line and tie it from here back onto that cleat. So see how I got it? That's to keep the boat so I can unhook the wind strap. This is an extra bow line that I always like to have extra lines with me, and there's a crab. I don't think it's living though. Hello, crab. Nope, he's not. And then this is my single line that's hooked here and here that I use to keep that back end from taking off. And so that big line right here, I'll probably just wrap around, because in case you need to tow in or tow somebody in, you got an extra line. So then you get in the rig, Big Jim, start it up, make sure the emergency brake's off, put in gear, make sure you put it in neutral or in reverse, because I want to put it back into park.
Trying to fix that.
Shut that off. Now I always back in at a slight angle, but the wind's going to take it in there anyway. So I'm watching the boat and I'll say, oh, did I undo that the wind strap? And I did this on purpose. But anyway, so I was, oh man, I better get out and check. Oh, looky here. Look at this thing, it's still hooked up. So that ain't good. So then take this and wrap it right there. And again, you can take this, push down on it, and when you do it, moves this lever. Then you can use this as a brake. See, now that didn't go anywhere, right? So now I don't need this. So I can just take this, for right now, and just throw it up there, because I don't need it, because I got this one. That was just in case. See how it's almost ready to come off? So now I got that, the tie downs are off, we're good to go. Again, put it in reverse, wait a second, slowly back up until you see that boat moving. And I got load guides to help keep it straight. Just dropping off. And I'm looking at my rope. I got enough rope back there. There, it's starting to float right there. So then you go back here, see how it's floating, but I still have this line here. And I got this, and this is going to get tight, so it wouldn't allow it just to take off, and you're still within the load guides. So I'm going to put this here. And like this. So I still have a rope, and I could retie this off real quick. But now I'm going to do this one like this. Then I can pull this in or pull this in. Now you wrap your hands here. Same thing here, you get good leverage. And then you just pull on it. And then it comes off, see? And then the wind's going to keep it in here, so I could just wrap this real quick like this, go to the front, see how it's taken off? Now I got my rope here. And then that's tied up. I would have that tied up so it couldn't go nowhere. Then you take this. Then just bring it like that. Then you just make a loop. Tie it like that. If you just go like this, you can pull it in, it acts as a pulley, spin it, it ain't gonna go nowhere. And that's how it's done. In this line, you can take wrap it. And wrap it like that, and then you just got that one line. Then this line, you can just take back here, same thing. Go like this, spin it up. There we go. There you go. And just go like this. Now the only thing you got to remember, when I did all this line here is underneath here, so if you want to pull this bumper head through that window, you're screwed, right? So what you can do is do this. Keep that line there. Keep this like this. You want to move this on top. Or tie a rope to the end of this, and then you could pull it and tie it there, and you could just pull this bumper up like that. So right there, see how it's, I gotta leave enough for the bumper. Right there, go like this. Then I need this line. I can pull that up tighter over there. So this, I want to keep here though, because I want to get rid of this. And I just go like this. And this line I don't want, so I can go like this. So there's a way around doing all what I'm doing here too. I just would keep this and just take it off up front would be the easiest, you know, if you didn't want it, because you don't need it now, see, so then you can just do this. It's one less line you got to worry about. Or just tie it off up here somewhere like this. Would probably be better. See how the wind is just keeping it here anyway? But see, if I did that, then I have that rope there, and then I just have this rope. I could actually just go leave that there. There you go. Then take this, shove this out. Bring it back, go like this, go like this, and then you'd want to get this rope, say right here, and go underneath, go like this, and then take this rope. See, it's easier when I do it when I don't have to fill. There you go. There. Then I can take this, wrap it. And there you go. Bow Doctor out.